Hello, welcome students. Welcome to the class. Our lesson for today is phonics and reading. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Double letter, consonant sounds, phonics and reading. Gl, pl, sl, words. Gl, 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 gl. Please repeat. Let us practice. Gl, oo, glue, glue. Gl, as, glass, glass. Gl, ob, globe, globe. Gl, e, glee, glee. Let us read some words, and you repeat. Gloom, gloom. Glove, glove. Glad, glad. Glasses, glasses. Glow, glow. Glide, glide. Glacier, glacier. Glitter, glitter. Glory, glory. Let us read some sentences. You repeat. He feels glad and happy today. He feels glad and happy today. You repeat. She is wearing glasses so she can see clearly. She is wearing glasses so she can see clearly. You repeat. Jake had his glory when he won the race. Jake had his glory when he won the race. You repeat. Good job, class. Let us go to the next lesson. Pl, 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 pl. Please repeat. Let us practice. Pl, ate, plate, plate. Pl, ain, plane, plane. Pl, A, play, play. Planet, planet, planet. Let us read some words, and you repeat. Plum, plum. Plus, plus. Plastic, plastic. Plant, plant. Plug, plug. Place, place. Player, player. Please, please. Pliers, pliers. Let us read some sentences. You repeat. That plane is bound for Thailand. That plane is bound for Thailand. You repeat. We are using too much plastic every day. We are using too much plastic every day. You repeat. Earth is the planet we live on. Earth is the planet we live on. You repeat. Good job, class. Let us go to the next lesson. Slup, 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 slup. Please repeat. Let us practice. Slup, eat, sleep, sleep. Slup, am, slam, slam. Slap, up, slap, slap. Slup, oh, slow, slow. Let us read some words. You repeat. Slice, slice. Slip, slip. Slug, slug. Sled, sled. Slide, slide. Sleeve, sleeve. Slime, slime. Sloth, sloth. Sling, sling. Let us read some sentences. You repeat. She slices the lemon in half. She slices the lemon in half. You repeat. The children are excited to play on the slide. The children are excited to play on the slide. You repeat. Sloths eat leaves, twigs, and buds in the forest. Sloths eat leaves, twigs, and buds in the forest. You repeat. Good job, class! See you in the next lesson. Thank you and goodbye.